Wow, this is a very nice station. This is a nice station. This is the inbound elevator. This is a brand new inbound elevator at Ardmore Station in Ardmore, Pennsylvania. Let me tap my key card here. There we go. All right, I'm getting my hair done in 10 minutes, so. Wow. This is a Kencor, I believe. Might be Kone, I'm not sure. T. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Very nice cab. It's brand new, too. Hello. I'm gonna go back up to P. This is the, does this work? No. Yeah, this is a Kencor probably. I'm gonna go back down to T. Tunnel. And end it down there so I can get my hair done. Because my appointment's in 5 minutes. I'm gonna send it up to P. There it goes, and that's it.